Maybe our primitive brains like the look of a mowed lawn because we can easily see there are no snakes hiding in the grass.
We won't give food and shelter to the needy unless they commit a crime first.
Someone out there is tithing their OnlyFans money.
As a society, we sure went quick from overpopulation will kill us to population collapse will kill us.
The vast majority of humans who have ever existed have never experienced the simple joy of a warm shower.
Our taste buds lower their standards depending on how hungry we are.
When we think of Steve Irwin, we all imagine him with the same clothes on.
You never skip the same rock twice.
Orange ice cream sounds more popular than it is.
Artificial power blackouts boost birth rates in countries struggling with low fertility.
By stating your public opinion online about certain governments, you essentially deny yourself safe entry into certain nations.
Climate activists who block roads are actually causing more carbon emissions.
Speeding is usually okay as long as you're not first in line.
Soon, thanks to the proliferation of AI and deepfakes, being attractive will be meaningless on the internet because no one will believe that any photo, video, or even stream of a person is real.
We imagine lives of people without electricity boring, but we don't usually imagine of animals' lives boring.
It's a little scary that AI images share a lot of rules as our dreams. Written language is gibberish. Grounded in reality, but fine details are off.
The brain has a surprisingly low storage capacity for memories.
A space being cozy versus claustrophobic is often just a matter of perspective.
In wealthy countries, the rich live in the hills, the poor live at the bottom. In poor countries, the rich live at the bottom and the poor live in the hills.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Most every work of science fiction set at or before the present date has been overly optimistic about technological progress.
Most funerals you attend mark one less person who's going to be at yours.
Actors get paid to not be themselves.
It really sucks no one's ever around to see your accidentally trick shots. Just bounce the plastic fork off of the recycling bin onto the rim of a mop bucket 4 feet away where it landed standing up.
For over 100,000 years there has been at least one person awake at every second of the day.
People are less afraid of dying than they are of how they will die.
People on North Sentinel Island have a Bacon number of infinity.
Advertisements will become so prolific we won't even know what is and isn't an ad. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you liked this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.